In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix QuickBooks Error 324, bank feed not updating. If your bank feed in QuickBooks has stopped updating and you're seeing Error 324, don't worry. This usually means QuickBooks is having trouble connecting to the bank account, often because the connection needs to be refreshed. The good news is that in many cases, the fix is simple. Manually disconnect the bank account and then reconnect it. To begin, sign into QuickBooks and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Accounting. Once you're in that section, select Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks displays the accounts connected to your online banking, along with the transaction feed and connection details. Now find the bank account that's causing the issue. Make sure you choose the correct account, especially if you have multiple bank or credit card connections inside QuickBooks. On that account, click the pen icon. This opens the settings for that specific bank connection. In the menu that appears, click Disconnect. This step removes the current connection between QuickBooks and the bank feed, which is often necessary when the feed is stuck, outdated, or returning Error 324. After the account has been disconnected, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Link Account. This will start the account linking process again. From here, follow the prompts to reconnect your bank account just like you did the first time. Be sure to carefully select the correct financial institution and match the account properly during setup so your transactions continue going to the right place. As you reconnect the account, take your time with the prompts and verify each selection before finishing. This helps avoid linking the wrong account or creating confusion in your bank feeds later. Once the linking process is complete, QuickBooks should re-establish the bank connection and begin updating your transactions again. In many cases, this clears Error 324 and restores normal bank feed activity. That's all you need to do. If the bank feed still doesn't update after reconnecting, you may want to wait a few minutes and try again, since some bank connections can take a short time to refresh. But in most situations, manually disconnecting and reconnecting the account solves the problem quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.